Hi, my name is Peggy McKee, and I am the medical sales recruiter. I'm the senior recruiter for PHC Consulting. We've been recruiting top sales talent for the last 10 years for the medical and clinical diagnostics arena. I wanted to tell you about a case study of mine. About 3 or 4 months ago, I had a small regional pathology lab approach me and ask me if I could help them. They wanted to expand. They wanted to add 4 additional sales reps, but with their current pay structure, they didn't believe it was possible. They couldn't get the money from the board. So we looked at that. Their current pay structure was $75,000 base salaries plus commission at plan at $30,000 to $35,000, and most of their sales reps were at or above plan. So I suggested that we take a look at hiring a junior salesperson. So if their first salesperson is a regional sales manager, maybe this person is a territory sales manager or an associate sales manager. You can choose the title. And I suggested we look at B2B candidates who have strong sales acumen. Okay, so maybe not as much experience. Maybe they've only sold for 1 or 2 years and not in medical, but they have a strong science degree, maybe molecular, kinesiology, chemistry, biology, microbiology, something like that. If we look at those candidates that have the strong sales acumen and some experience, plus the strong science background, typically they can transition into this type of position and actually perform at or better than the levels of the folks that you've hired with that experience. And we hired them in, we hired 4 of them. We just finished this we've been working on this for the last 6 weeks. And we hired 4 of them at base salaries between $50,000 and $55,000, commission at plan another $20,000. And we were able to get one candidate who had a master's degree in molecular, another candidate had worked for a copier's company, and had a biology degree. Another candidate was a pharmaceutical sales rep who was going to be absolutely fantastic in this market because she actually had made a mistake going into pharmaceutical sales because it wasn't the type of sales position that she was looking for. She wanted one that was a real strong, direct, hard closing sales process. So we hired those 4 people. We found those people for them. We found up to 10 candidates for each location within 2 to 3 weeks of the time that they gave us the locations. Within a week after we had provided our last candidate, they did phone screens. 1 week later, we set up their in-person interviews with their top 4 or 5 candidates, and from those, every one of them, they were able to make a very strong decision to hire one person. We checked references, they were beautiful, they made the offer, the candidates start next Monday. So I just wanted to share with you how sometimes your recruiter can work with you to achieve the business goals that you have, and sometimes a recruiter can look at your process and has a little bit of a different outlook on it because of our view, our perspective, and because of our experience with all kinds of different organizations. So if you need a recruiting organization that can provide you with a customized solution to whatever problems you're experiencing within your sales force, please do give us a call at PHC Consulting, and I wish you the best of luck in your hiring. Thank you.